If you played Roblox Bedwars in the past week, you probably heard of the new update. They released dodo-birds. And let me tell you, they are overpowered. I abuse the dodo-bird and I made a lot of noobs saltier than a bowl of soup in an Italian restaurant. You're gonna wanna see this. So dodo-birds can spawn anywhere around the map. We gotta keep our eyes peeled. Outplayed and outsmarted. Would you look at that? Holy hell, this is overpowered. And now it's time for the moment of truth. Wow, I can do a triple jump with the Jade hammer. Wow, they really just murdered my dodo bird. One like equals one prayer. Amen. Yay, I got it back. Looks like they're already giving up. And that's another win. The dodo bird is too powerful.
No dodo.
Yes, dodo. You will pay for this. You ruin my bird, I ruin your life. This doesn't even make sense. Get good gamer will be GGG, not GG. Learn how to abbreviate. He literally had a whole dodo bird in front of him. And didn't even pick it up.
Sing, sing, sing!
It's too fun. Free bed right there. Free win right there. I love the dodo bird. Hello my good friend. It's time to kick some butt. The only thing I don't like about the bird is that it literally dies in 3 hits. Somehow I survived that. And that's another win. My teammate doesn't even know how to use the generator. I'm probably gonna lose. That guy flew right off the map like a dodo bird. Speed hacking in Roblox Bedwars on their tablet in the middle of an exam. found a dodo bird sitting on the tree. How convenient. This is literally too overpowered. This is the new definition of trolling in Roblox Bedwars.
Can you stop?
And that's another win. The dodo bird is literally the best. G to the G.